Hello everyone, welcome to TPL FPM, the Field Project Manager. Let's take a look and click on this project here. This opens the overview page, the overview of your project. Here in the upper left, the amount is the overall value of the project. The upper right are your total hours. And here at the bottom is the progression. This is the number of activities that need to be done, that are in progress, and that are completed. To start a project, simply click on Project here on the left. This opens the project page where you enter the standard information: number, name, description, starting date, and ending date. Next, click on Periods. This opens the Periods page, and Periods allows you to see the progression grouped into a time period in order to view the results on screen either daily, weekly, or monthly, or customized to meet your needs. Now let's click on Budget. This opens the budget page and displays the file that was transferred from TPL Estimate. Here is the budget divided into its activities. Click on any activity, and at the bottom you'll have the resources attached to that activity, including their quantity, unit cost, and global amount. And keep in mind, these details are all the resources that have been put together in your estimate. This is the specific budget for this specific activity. Once you've set up project, periods, and budget, you're ready to begin using the core of the system, the field log. To begin, click on the field log here on the left. Now this is where you'll tell the system which activities were worked on today. Double-click an activity, and under Progress, enter the quantity of work that was completed for the day. Under Human Resources, select the labor that was used for the execution of this activity. And under Equipment, select the equipment that was used to complete the activity. Selecting activities, human resources, and equipment can be done in two ways. You can either click the Add button and do it manually, or you can use the Multiple Inputs button. This opens up your resources and shows you all the human resources available to this project that you're working on. You can either search by resource number or name, or by the resource function. Select the laborer, click OK, and you'll see the laborer has been added to human resources right there. Remember, when adding this information, you are telling the system the real cost of the project so far. Now that that's been completed, click Save and Submit. At this point, the system will be able to display the real expenses so far. To see those results, click on Expense. This opens the expense window with the system showing your labor and equipment with their hours, and here below, what quantities of material should have been used to complete the activity. If the actual amount is different, you can easily change it here. If you would like to see how the project is progressing, click on Analysis. This opens the Analysis page where you see a graphic dashboard of how the project is progressing so far. Over here is the highest level, the project itself. The dark gray represents the cost based on the quantity completed. The blue is the reality. And as the difference between the two is positive, we have a green line over here. And the space between the green line and the end of the line represents the amount of money that will be saved if production continues at this rate. And there's always the detail in dollar value for the summary, the running total to date, completion, and categories per family of resources, including global dollar value. Now let's click on an activity. TPL FPM also lets you see this kind of detail for each activity, including the unit cost. Now double click on the activity, and the system drills down one more level to show you the resources within the activity to pinpoint exactly where the project is falling behind. And we can see on this item here that there is a red line. This tells us that there is an issue, and continuing in this method would cost more money. Now you can take action to correct it. With TPL FPM, find out if your project is on budget in real time and take action now. Don't wait until it's too late. This has been TPL FPM Field Project Manager. Thanks for watching.